A hug is more than just a physical embrace. It's an unspoken language, a bridge between two souls, a moment where words become unnecessary. But did you know that how you respond to a hug can leave a lasting impression on someone's mind? The Stoics teach us that every action, even the smallest one, should be intentional and rooted in wisdom. So, if you want to make someone think of you always, you must approach even a simple hug with presence, depth, and emotional mastery. A person receiving a hug, looking thoughtful. Most people respond to a hug unconsciously. They hug back out of habit, without considering the energy they bring into the moment. But a Stoic does not act without awareness. A Stoic understands that even in a simple embrace, there is an opportunity to show strength, control, and authenticity. So, how should you respond to a hug in a way that leaves a lasting impact? 1. Embrace with presence, not neediness. Many people hug as a way to seek comfort, reassurance, or validation. But the Stoic way is different. Instead of clinging, embrace with presence. Feel the moment, but do not lose yourself in it. Your hug should say, "I am here, fully present, but I do not need anything from this moment." This calm and self-sufficient energy is what makes people think of you long after the embrace ends. 2. Match the energy, but remain grounded. When someone hugs you, they bring a certain energy into the interaction. They may be joyful, sorrowful, or even indifferent. A Stoic observes this energy, acknowledges it, but does not get swept away by it. If they are happy, you reciprocate with warmth. If they are sad, you offer comfort without absorbing their sadness. This balance of connection and control is what makes your presence unforgettable. 3. The power of subtle strength. A weak, half-hearted hug feels indifferent. A desperate, overly tight hug feels needy. But a hug that is firm, controlled, and intentional, that speaks of quiet strength. It tells the other person, "I am here. I am strong." You can trust this moment. People remember those who make them feel safe, and nothing creates that feeling more than strength combined with calmness. 4. Release with grace, not hesitation. Many people hesitate when letting go, either holding on too long or pulling away awkwardly. A Stoic, however, knows that everything in life, including a hug, is temporary. Let go with grace, without attachment. This sends a silent but powerful message. I cherish this moment, but I am not controlled by it. That kind of self-control leaves a deep impression on the mind. 5. Leave behind an emotion, not just a memory. People rarely remember details, but they always remember how you made them feel. When you hug someone, make them feel something profound: warmth, reassurance, respect, or admiration. If your hug carries the essence of Stoic wisdom, strength without force, warmth without neediness, and presence without attachment, it will linger in their thoughts long after you are gone. In every embrace, you have a choice: to be forgettable or to be unforgettable. The Stoic way teaches us that even the simplest actions, when done with intention, can shape the way people remember us. So the next time you hug someone, do it with presence, strength, and grace, and watch as they think of you always. If you found wisdom in this, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more Stoic insights. Until next time, embrace every moment with strength and purpose,